Hey guys, and welcome back. And today I just wanted to show you how big Freddy is getting. He's absolutely massive now. He's humongous. I've done several videos on him, how updates, so I figured out that you deserve one for your help with the channel. So here he is. He's very big now. He was under half the size of this when we bought him, which was nearly a year ago now. So the Sailfin Pleco, scientifically known as gibbiceps, is a striking and popular species of freshwater fish, often kept in aquariums for both its appearance and usefulness in controlling algae. Native to slow-moving rivers and floodplains in South America, particularly in the Amazon and Orinoco basins, the Sailfin Pleco is named for its large sail-like dorsal fin, which can have up to 14 rays and spans almost the height of its body when fully extended. These fish are easily recognised by their dark brown or black coloration covered in lighter spots or articulated patterns, giving them a visually dramatic, almost prehistoric look. One of the Sailfin Pleco's most notable features is its tough armour-like exoskeleton. Rather than having soft, scaleless skin like some other catfish, Sailfin Plecos are covered in hard, bony plates that help protect them from other predators. This makes them fairly resilient and well suited for life in environments where they might otherwise be at risk. Despite this armour, they are generally peaceful and spend most of their time attached to surfaces like driftwood, rocks, or the glass of an aquarium, using their sucker-like mouth to feed. In terms of diet, Sailfin Plecos are omnivores, but they're especially fond of plant matter. Algae is a staple in their diet, and in captivity they are commonly used to help keep algae growth under control. However, they shouldn't be relied on as the sole cleaner fish. Variety in their diet is important. They enjoy sinking algae wafers, fresh vegetables like zucchini or cucumber, and occasional protein sources such as bloodworms or shrimp pellets. Feeding them a balanced diet prevents health issues and ensures a longer lifespan. Speaking of lifespan, Sailfin Plecos can live quite a long time if properly cared for, typically between 10 to 15 years, though some have been known to live even longer. In optimal conditions, they can also grow surprisingly large, often reaching lengths of 13 to 19 inches, 33 to 48 centimetres, so they require a spacious tank, ideally 75 gallons or more. Despite their size, they're generally shy and nocturnal, becoming more active at night. All in all, Sailfin Plecos are hardy, fascinating fish with a lot of character, making them a favourite among experienced aquarists. There you go. That's the update on Freddy. Bye for now. See you in the next one. Like, subscribe.